Niggas mad at me and my bitch cause we both getting it. Blueface on my watch in my pocket, you already know the business. Tell a bitch shut the fuck up, hold this bro business. We like twins in the kitchen cause we both whipping. Niggas mad at me and my bitch cause we both getting it. I'm that nigga in the field, I'm a playmaker. Bounce out the whip and walk up on him with a haymaker. You ain't touching money, what the fuck you got hands for? I done made a couple $100,000 off this Android. I ain't with the chit chat, have Broly push his shit back. Now that's not a fanny pack, that's a shit bag. All I really see is clips, how your click bad. Tryna take off like a rocket, get your shit blast. Your bitch treat me like a king, I'm your kid's dad. I'm in the streets, sunning niggas where my kids at. Only do music with the game. Oh, that's what we doing? Alright. Yeah, phone blowing. Alright. Might check 1, 2. Run it, phone blowing up to my hoes, I can't get with y'all. Should I cut the dough with flour or some fentanyl? Ask your bitch about me, I with the biggest draws. Why you even talking to me, you the biggest fraud? On the block with that, trying to work on something lying.